Hi there, it's Todd here at Allclues. Today I'm excited to help you get set up with Allclues. Allclues is a powerful all-in-one AI workspace designed to elevate your reading and note-taking game. With Allclues, reading and writing become closely interconnected. It enables you to build your own knowledge base without the tedious and time-consuming organization. This is because AI will handle these tasks for you. Now let me show you how to get started. To get started, head to allclues.ai and log in. The best part is no downloads necessary. If you haven't joined the Allclues beta yet, simply click on Join Beta right on the home page. Once you are signed in, let me demo our web beta interface. Now welcome to the heart of Allclues. This is your home page. To your left, there is a handy sidebar. All the pages here have been intelligently categorized by types and Clues AI. Notes for your penned thoughts. To-dos to keep tabs on your tasks. Articles to save those must-read web pieces. And images to view all visuals sprinkled across pages. As for the Omni-map and clue tags, we'll dive into those gems shortly. On the right, if this is your first login, you will notice 4 pages under the unread section. They are really easy to read walkthrough on how to get immediate value of the web app. For example, the Welcome to Allclues page gives you a quick overview of Allclues key offerings, along with some important resources you may need, like our community and the support email. Creating your first note is incredibly simple. Just hit the plus button or use the keyboard shortcut Command K. Enter the title and your creation journey begins. The Allclues block editor is designed for precision and clarity. With this real-time preview of the markdown syntax, you have the flexibility to seamlessly insert images, modify styles, and organize your content. Normally, each block is crafted to focus on a specific topic or segment. Whenever you need to process or analyze anything, whether it's optimizing your writing, checking grammar, or translating to another language, simply select the block and utilize the AI panel to your right for swift assistance. If you find yourself at the onset of an idea but unsure of the next step, our AI is here to guide. It can map out an article structure for you, bridging the gap between inception and creation. For those of you who have a passion for writing, it's clear that reading plays a massive part in your daily routine. Allclues is designed with this in mind, making it a streamlined campaign for both tasks. To help you better manage your reading, let's transition to the Chrome Web Store. By installing Allclues browser extension, you are bringing every article you encounter into one space. The beauty of our platform lies in its simplicity. You can quickly capture an entire web page or pinpoint specific text and images at the click of a button or through our handy shortcuts. Additionally, the embedded AI also helps you identify similar content and merges them on a singular page in your workspace. Clues AI parses these articles and adds them to your database. Moreover, you can also capture ideas about any web page using Quick Note feature. A Quick Note feature lets you jot it down right then and there, without the hassles of navigating away. If you return to the home page of Allclues, you will notice that your collection of articles has appeared in the unread section. A quick hover gives you a snapshot of each, helping you decide your reading priorities. In this scenario, the Allclues extension functions as your all-in-one tool for saving articles to read later, conducting website research, and managing bookmarks. So, whether you are a writer at heart or someone who's more into consuming content, Allclues is tailored for you. We believe that combining reading and writing is the way to go for managing personal info. When you write, you will be able to refer to any of your past readings. While you read, you can also jot down your thoughts at any point, ensuring your end content is both engaging and informed. Lastly, tools like Omni-map and Relevant will assist you connecting dots, adding depth to your content understanding. The AI will unlock the Omni map at the appropriate time, usually at 10 pages. Whether you are navigating the web or using the extension, you will find that the ability of AI is everywhere. That's Clues AI at work. The fusion of reading and writing is what sets it apart. You may ask what's the difference between Clues AI and ChatGPT. The biggest difference lies in its functionalities, particularly when it comes to precision and efficiency. Unlike many AI systems that may need manual activation, Clues AI operates continuously in real time. As you draft and create, it's actively working behind the scenes. Clues AI can generate clue tags for all your pages, saving you considerable time on manual organizing. Apart from using clue tags or relevant features to find content, using AI for searches is also helpful. You can ask a question or type in a keyword, even if it doesn't directly appear in the content, and still find what you are looking for. The process is as simple as that. There's more to Clues AI. With Clues AI, you can engage in fluid, natural language conversations based on selected content without cluttering your editor panel. Its multitasking functionality made your work easy. You can keep writing while the AI features relevant content. You can then choose to insert the content or simply move on. Clues AI is an omniscience AI system. You can modify the quality of the content to get results from the current page to across all your pages, making the workspace seamless. The more you dive into its functionalities, the more you will discover. And here's the best part. Clues AI involves adapting and refining its responses based on your unique interaction patterns. Now let's talk about how Clues AI sets itself apart. Clues AI is not a general-purpose AI. We've tailored it for reading and note-taking. Whether you are a student, a content creator, or an engineer, we've got you covered. We have also made it possible for you to change some of the AI's preferences. For our international users or those diving into non-native languages, we've got a neat feature. You can switch up the language settings, so Clues AI delivers summaries and clue tags in the languages you are comfortable with. Now I know some of you have brilliant ideas for how clue tags should be generated. And guess what? We are on it. Soon you will have the power to fine-tune the AI and curate tags just the way you like. We are also currently working on some truly exciting features, such as personalized AI reports that can assist you in monitoring all your ideas and thoughts. Exciting, right? During our early beta phase, Allclues is free. You can add as many articles or notes as you like and use up to 100 AI requests daily for managing your information. Now, since Allclues is still in beta phase, your feedback is invaluable as we continue to improve. We believe that Allclues combines cutting-edge technology with your needs to refine basic functionalities. It's a journey we are excited to take with you. Thank you so much for taking the time to get on board with me today, and I can't wait to hear what you think.